Moment of truth, baby. I just dumped some in there. I primered it already. Let's see if the baby runs. When I have enough gas in it. It does run though. Did you hear that? Something sizzling. I might not put enough in there. Shit's like $8, $9. It ain't cheap. Kane, shut up! Crazy dog. It's hissing. It's got some water in there. That thing is pretty badass, if you ask me. Oh, I would go yank it through the yard, but there's too many obstacles, and it's cold. I just wanted to see if it runs, and I didn't do anything else to it. I thought I was going to end up messing with like the points or something, try to get spark out of it, because I wasn't for sure if it had spark or not. I kind of lied in that video yesterday. But anyways, here's an update, and yes, she does run. Pretty sweet, huh? Anyways, so now, here's a video I uploaded yesterday in case you missed out. I don't know, I figured I threw it on there. Good morning, guys. How you doing? So I haven't worked on anything in a long time. I brought this home a couple days ago. I thought we'd mess with it because it's kind of unique. I believe this is a lawnboy. It doesn't have a name on it whatsoever. It has power drive. It has the adapter you can take off and like put a bag on it so you can bag all your crap. And like it's got another piece that's inside here. Whoa, look at that damn thing. Yeah, so it's got this plastic piece here so it just mulches and doesn't even shoot it out. You can probably take that out, I'm sure. Look at that blade on that damn thing. But for being for like the 70s or whatever, oh, that's not bad. Look at this, still got tread on the wheels. And we'll go back here. She does have a little bit of a carburetor. How do you open this? How do you open it? There it is. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and say it. That carburetor is probably all gummed up on there because I see a bowl on the bottom, sort of like right. Idiot. Right there. So I want to get that out and like see if I can maybe clean it somehow. And we're going to check for spark first. I mean, hell, maybe if you just dump some gas, that damn thing will start up. I see a little drop of something right there. I bet you that's probably oil. When the gas deteriorates or evaporates, you know, kind of turns back into oil. That's kind of why I want to clean that, because that could be a bitch. This might be a bitch. But my point is, how often do you see a two-stroke lawnmower anymore? I think that probably was 70s. It has to be 70s. And there's a throttle. This is the start, and that's to go. It'll go by itself. I see there's a belt underneath this right here that runs the thing that makes it do, the thing. Roundy round. Well, I went and found the smallest tool I could find. Holy shit. Somebody did not want that to come out. Inspect Ag. That she's brand new. She has been fired. Okay, this is where I'm gonna need your guys' help. So I'm gonna try and set this up to where I can shine the camera on it. You guys can see if there's a spark. Like that. Now we're gonna zoom in on the camera, and I'm gonna go back there and pull the rope. And like, I have nobody here to help me. All right, let's see what we can break. I think I can hear it. Kind of forgot about the blade underneath there. Well, I'm pretty sure I saw a spark. I'm not really sure how I can do it without taking the top off of it, so we're just gonna put this baby back in there. Call it good. I checked the video, and man, I swear I could hear it too. So yeah, onto the carburetor. So I've been watching the news. Well, checking the forecast on my phone, whatever. Yo, we're supposed to be getting snow. And right now, let me show you. So, well, we got this big ass thing coming in. And it's getting cold quick. Well, shit, Ivan, that means you need to hurry up, don't you? Probably. Well, do you suppose we can sneak in there and get that out of there without taking the top off? Man, I don't know. Might just have to take the gas tank off too. I don't know. I don't necessarily have no two-stroke gas right now for it, so all I'm doing is just cleaning it, and I have to put it up for sale because I have to get out. So drop that damn screw in there. I should find me another crate, huh? Higher table. Well, that didn't do shit. Stupid. On a real note, though, why the hell did they have to make shit so fucking small? You know, us old people, we can't see or fucking grab shit. That's why back in the day they made that big ass remote. Oh my goodness. Well, I found the carburetor. Shit. Thought I was already losing pieces already. All right, get this little snap off here. Should just probably help if you squeeze the right sides, you big dummy. There we go. Oh, she's got a gasket, another gasket. Careful, careful, careful. Okay, inside there's some reeds. And I might have to open that up and flip them around. But my main concern is just open this up and hopefully that seal will be okay. It's raining on me right now. Sprinkling, I guess I should say. Plastic carburetor. I hear the float. I wonder, I bet you can't use carburetor cleaner on this. I'm curious. You guys know? This is just a quick fix right now, trying to save it. I would hate to see it go on the curb for it living this damn long. You know what I mean? Earn. Ooh, careful, careful, careful. Yeah, like I said, a bunch of oil. Gotta be careful, careful, careful here. She would have never started. She would have never started. There's a gasket. That came off good. The float. Yeah. The jet's not plugged. Alright, let me just clean this up and I'm gonna put it back together. Okay guys, I did it off camera. I got rained out bad. All my toolboxes are full of water and everything, and this started getting full of water. Like, anyways, I took it apart, cleaned it. Float works. There's like 2 screws put back in there and like hook up the cable, put the filter back on it. But listen, it's raining, so I don't know how long it's gonna take me. Still gotta come up with some gas to make it run. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that today or not. This weather's kind of shitty. But yeah, I want to throw this back on there and put the cover back on so no water will get in it. And right now I got a dead spot in the rain. Like, I'm not trying to run with the camera and everything. Sorry. So, I thought this was kind of crazy. I bought this grease gun years ago. And I used it for one job that had grease fittings. These new cars and all that shit, they don't have grease fittings. Check this. Oh, there it is, right there. Hello. I guess let's use the grease gun. Huh. All greased up, all it needs is gas. I guarantee it will run. But anyways, guys, that's my little doing on the lawnmower. 2-stroke. Fancy. If I find some gas, I'll throw it in one of my next videos or something. But like, more than likely, I just have to post it right now and get rid of it. She's ready to go though, folks. Hey, hope you guys enjoy. Peace, guys. Love you.